What's up everyone, it's Rick here with UTVSource.com, and this is the ZRP High Clearance Radius Rod. This is for my Can-Am. I'm rebuilding, and my first impressions of this part, it's friggin' awesome. Like, this is really nice, really nice. There's no blems on this. There's no scratching. So they did a really nice job in packaging and wrapping and presentation. All the misalignment spacers are on a zip tie, so I didn't have to search for any parts. Obviously this is this side that's going to go to your hub, so it's got a nice O-ring. This is what's going to go to the chassis, this misalignment and Heim. These are actually FK rod ends. Really nice rod ends in the industry. It's made in the USA. This one is with a black finish on it. You can order these with a raw finish if you want to color match them or anodize them to match your car. So my first impression, nailed it. Again, nailed it on this part. I don't have any experience with machine parts on my car. I've always gone with chromoly. There was nothing wrong with my radius rods. There was nothing wrong with my car or my kit. It's just I want to have an experience so I can leave a review on these parts, my experiences, how the whole experiences with that company went, and how the parts were presented, so I know what my customers, you guys, are gonna get. So that's basically the main reason why I'm rebuilding the car. I want to know how you guys are getting these things. So all in all, like, first impressions out of the box, super excited about this part. Another cool thing about this radius rod kit from ZRP is it comes completely assembled and adjusted. Meaning, I don't have to sit there and screw with the alignment or the toe on 6 radius rods. It's set, it's ready to go. Like, bolt it on, boom, done. It may not sound like a big deal, but if you haven't messed with them yet, you can spend hours getting your car set up right. Hours. It doesn't take hours to put these on. This is actually like a 30-minute install at best. You remove your radius rod plate. Some of you have a cage that has that plate on there. It's gonna be a little more involved, but you can take the bolts off. If it has tube clamps, you just slide the back end off. So all in all, like, this is awesome. This is really nice. So I'm super excited about this. So I get it, you know. It's really nice. It's perfect. It's a machined part, which means it's perfect. The tolerances are perfect. There's no deviation from a chromoly hand-built part. There's nothing wrong with hand-built parts. Actually, hand-built parts are really nice, especially chromoly ones. I had a really nice set on my car. Out of the box, they're awesome. So I'm gonna give you guys some close-up looks on this. So if you're upgrading your radius rods, most of us do, odds are you've either bent one, broken one, or you want a little bit more performance. So the tolerances on these misalignment spacers, with the use of an FK rod end, which these are FK rod ends, they're just not stamped, and having the toe and everything already set, that's massive. This is solid machined aluminum. The strength is probably 10 times greater than a factory radius rod. All in all, ZRP, you knocked it out of the park. Presentation, fit, finish, having everything packaged the way it came, exceeded my expectations. So if you're putting these on your car, this is probably going to take me 30 minutes. I'm just going to pull the radius rod pull plate off. 6 bolts, 6 nuts, pop them off, put 6 new ones on. I'm not going to need to adjust it. It's back on. I'm giving myself 30 minutes to do this, if that. Why would you upgrade? Well, we have strength, rod ends, and on the hub, it has an O-ring. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a rubber O-ring for sealing on the inside of the misalignment. These are going to be stronger, so you're going to be able to smash a little bit harder and know that you're going to get through it. You're not going to bend a radius rod, you bend a radius rod. Odds are you're going to bend your trailing arm, take out your shock. There's a lot of strength in this system right here, so I highly recommend it. This is a great product right here. You remember last week we did the radius rod pull plate. Well, this is the matching pull plate for that kit right there. Again, really nice parts. So I'm gonna have my thoughts up on the website. I hope you guys continue to use the website. Go on there, go shopping, see all the new features. We've added a lot. Again, every week we're adding to this website, we're adding to our blogs, we're adding to our YouTube channel. Follow our stories on Instagram at utvsource.com. It's where the bangers happen.
Perfect.